Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect active trades to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. When you are here on TradingView, you just have to simply launch any of the charts in front of you. Now, after launching the chart, simply click on the option of the trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now, when you click on the option of show all brokers, it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which you can basically connect with your TradingView account. So when you show the list of the brokers, we need to look whether active trades is available here or not. So you can either look for its icon in this list, or you can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you can search for active trades. Now here, as you can see, the active trades option is not available as of right now, which means that you can't actually connect your active trades account with TradingView. So in this particular situation, you can open activetrades.com in a new tab simultaneously to that of TradingView. When you are here, click on the option of login. Then you need to provide your email address and your password associated with your active trades account. Then simply log in into your account. So when you are inside, what you can do is you can simply analyze your charts here on TradingView. Then in order to punch your orders, you can come here on active trades account of yours, which you have just log in, and then you can basically place your trades here. So this way you will be able to use active trades and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.